Today's topic is all about SNR Business Lab SCGP Panchayat Samiti Sabapati Beneficiary Fund. SCGP Panchayat Samiti Sabapati Fund is a commission-based firm of SCGP project. This commission is one of the SCGP membership commission and the other is membership earning commission. SCGP membership commission depends on SCGP member. Firm will give 20 rupees for each SCGP membership. So, if in Panchayat Samiti area, SCGP will create 1 lakh SCGP members. This amount will be used for Sabapati personal social work in the local Panchayat Samiti. If a Sabapati term is 5 years, then the Panchayat Samiti fund earn within 5 years more than 60 lakh because after every 14 months, SCGP members must review their membership. The local people develop the Panchayat Samiti area. 10% will be used for ruling political party block Panchayat Samiti secretary local development issue. 5% will use for the opposition political parties block Panchayat Samiti secretary local development issue. 10% will be used for the local health issue. 10% will be used the local police station beneficiary fund. 20% will be used for the local agriculture development issue. The remaining amount will be used for the local people development issue. SCGP membership commission will calculate only the basis of membership ID number, not application number. SCGP membership earning commission will calculate only the final amount which will be credited to the bank account of SCGP member basis after every 14 months. All disputes of commission matter will be solved only by the advocate that are in the panel of SNR Business Live Advocate panel panelists. Thank you.